Local news for Tuesday the 29th of October. Wairarapa radiology staff are striking again this week for a third time. Striking will include both full and partial withdrawal of labour and is scheduled to take place from 7am today through until Monday the 4th of November, but won't affect ultrasound services. The Wairarapa ambulance pop-up service opened last week and there's still plenty of time to join the discussions at their pop-up store on Queen Street, Masterton. The pop-up is open daily from 10am until 4:30, with key workshop dates being Thursday the 31st of October, Monday the 4th and Tuesday the 5th of November. New Zealand Red Cross have announced they'll be delivering settlement support to resettled refugees in Masterton in partnership with Connecting Communities Wairarapa. Rachel O'Connor, New Zealand Red Cross General Manager of Migration, says we've seen a huge amount of community support in the existing settlement locations. We work in and expect new locations to be no different. And in the Coastal Challenge cricket from the weekend, Red Star were beaten by Liverpool Old Boys, while Lansdowne lost to Parapara Umu after sunstrike restricted play. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.